Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound yen, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, we're very likely now in a wave 4, which I think will likely hit the 50% before it goes up for another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first move down is a wave A. I think there's a potential that we're already in a wave B, and that potentially it's going to go down again for a wave C, and this is all an ABC of 4, maybe going down to the 50% fib level right around the 178.29 area. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks like three waves up. And because of that, I do realize that it could easily just keep on going down. But I think there's a chance that this actually could be like part of a wave B already. Like this is actually the A, and this potentially is going to be like a wave B, and then it potentially goes up to one of these higher fib levels for the wave C of B, making this down here a complete wave A to form that ABC pattern like I was showing on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I have this marked as an ABC, but I do see the possibility that this right here is actually an A, and this is actually the uptrend right here. Like this is an uptrend for an A, and then this is an A, B, and we're now potentially in a wave C. So if that really is the case, then we'd better pay very close attention to these fib levels because it could bounce break structure at one of these fib levels and start a pretty big move to the upside for the C of wave B, just like what I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if we can identify the end of a trend on this 1 hour time frame, then that potentially could be the end of a wave C of wave B. If it doesn't form the end of a trend, then we potentially should keep on looking for shorts. So if we do get a break of structure to the upside, a very strong impulsive move to the upside, nice break and hold above structure, then I would definitely at the first pullback be looking to get in long for the continuation of this uptrend. If we don't break structure and instead it either rejects structure or makes a lower high, then you should probably keep on going short because it potentially could go down to any one of these lower Fibonacci levels. So pay very close attention to the fib levels. One of these fib levels could give you a break of structure to the upside, which potentially could be a great long. If it doesn't break that structure, then continue to look for shorts every chance you get. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.